Who's feeling the summer already? Hi guys, good morning. I have my hair up off the back of my neck. I just don't know how to put one of those buns the right way. But I'm dressed in outside clothes. I'm actually wearing shorts. It's been an eventful weekend, past few days. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I'm going to insert some clips for today's vlog. And then all I'm doing today is basically yard work. Not yard work, gardening. I'm watering the backyard. It's like 108 degrees and it's I think 10:20 a.m. right now. It's very hot here. So we are just moving plants around, watering them, and then I'm going to wait till the evening and I'm going to seed my grass. There are some areas that I need to prepare. I have to get like a metal rake to it, kind of loosen up I'm just reading the back of the directions of the bag. I have a couple hauls. I don't know when I'm going to post them, but they'll be this week. I don't know what. Happy Father's Day to your fathers, or I don't know if any men watch my channel, but happy Father's Day to y'all. We just came from having brunch with my little brother and my nephew. It was I love gathering with family and I just enjoyed that time. It was just wonderful. I just wanted to pop in here and wish y'all a happy Father's Day weekend. You guys stay cool. It's hot. Over here, it's hot, hot, hot. You little tinker. Rosie. Rosie. Kitty, kitty, kitty. You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Is it just because? Why do you wag your tail so much? Are you mad or are you just talking to me? Pretty kitty kitty. So I learned that a cheesecake, whether it's regular cheesecake or a keto cheesecake, needs to be in a springform pan and baked in a thing of water. It has to have water outside of the springform pan so it won't crack. Hey guys, this is an unplanned Tuesday morning shop with me video. I had no idea we were coming here. It's the day before Father's Day. I hope you enjoy it. I am. I'm loving everything I'm seeing right now. Mirror for my bedroom. $69. Hey guys, we just made it home. I don't know what I filmed, but we were out and about today. It's 104 degrees right now outside, and it feels like it's 115. It's hot. So it's like 12 noon, and we just made it home. We went to Walmart Tuesday morning, Dollar Tree, and Jack in the Box. I haven't eaten food. Mom did. She needed something. I got iced tea unsweetened with lemon wedges. It's so good. It was fresh, so it's so good. I'm about to put my car in the garage and I'm gonna go film a haul for y'all. My Amazon order got here really quick. I just ordered a few things, but this is the whole reason why I ordered from Amazon this day, was because I need to replace my faucet on my sink. It's been broke. But let me show you these fun things that I also got. Stay tuned for an upcoming video for an arrangement that I'm going to do for a post that I have in my front entry. So I got these things and they're very inexpensive. I was really pleasantly surprised to find them on Amazon. Look at how nice they are. They're full, they're long. I was pleasantly surprised because they look exactly how it looked on the website and the description. So I was really happy. This I need to buy a pot for. I'm going to redo my front entry and I'll do a little video showing you guys the same thing. I'm really happy. These things are all inexpensive, and I will list the links to them down below if you are interested. Excuse my messy sink, you guys, but I'm just going to show you what I've been dealing with here, and why I ordered that faucet. I initially thought I was going to have to buy a whole new thing, but no. I hope it fits. I hope. We would always get wet with this faucet if we weren't careful on how we turned the water on. Now I'm just trying to figure out how to remove just the faucet part. Actually, my little brother's the one that told me, hey, you don't need a whole new sink faucet or this whole thing. You just need to replace the faucet head. And I'm like, why didn't I think of that? He had a brilliant idea, so I did exactly what he told me to do. I just got this faucet off Amazon for a couple bucks, and here I am crossing my fingers. I'm trying to show you here how, the difference between the two. I'm still crossing my fingers hoping it fits at this point. And right here, you guys, I'm so excited. It actually is the right size. But I'm thinking, you're going to see here in a minute, I'm thinking I should get like a little, I guess they call them a washer, because I still have like a slight leak. I'm not sure. You guys tell me what I need to do. If you know what I need to do, please tell me down in the comment section. Mommy dearest? Mom, come here for a minute. At the kitchen sink? Yeah.
Turn it towards us. And look at this one. They look pretty now.
They look really pretty in here.
So where I'm gonna put this one?
I think we should
These two, because the buckets look the